Right now I have 8 different fruits growing in my garden. I thought I'll give you a tour. The first one over here is Santa Rosa plum. This is a weeping Santa Rosa plum variety. I planted it back in 2021, and as you can see, it has a lot of fruits coming up. This is the first year it has started making the fruits, and they have started to ripen off. So I'm expecting a pretty good harvest this year. This is a beautiful tree for edible landscaping, and it is planted in our front yard. Now let's go across the driveway where we have our blueberries. We have got a nice blueberry harvest this year. As you can see, a lot of them are ripening. Now they do ripen in different branches at different times. So as they ripen, we pick them up. By doing so, we do get a long harvesting season for the blueberries. This one is full of ripe ones. I'm gonna harvest this with my kids. Now let's go to the side of our garage. We have 4 pears coming up, and they're gonna be ready at the beginning of August. Although we see 4 down here, if I go to the top, there are a bunch of them. I counted 7 of them. This is the other pear tree, but this one hasn't made any fruits yet. This is the pollinator, but it doesn't have any flowers yet. I'm hoping once flowers are out, we are going to have a lot more fruits on both the trees. Right next to it, we have our apple tree. It has made fruit for the first time. So as you can see, there's one here. There's the other one. There were a few others, but a storm came and it picked them down. This apple tree has gone through a lot. Last year, some construction workers broke this branch off. Bunnies have eaten it. So it has taken a lot of beating, but it has still been strong. It's standing strong here. Now let's go to a backyard. My audio had some issue after this, so I'm recording the audio separately. We have Hinomaki red gooseberry growing here. It is doing great and made a lot of gooseberries. A few ripen every day. Some even fall down. I need to prune this a lot next spring so that I can reach in to harvest these. Let's go to the next one, which is grapes. There's a bird nest in this one, so I won't stop here. Don't want to disturb them. But I have another grapevine at the back. Take it from me, one grapevine is enough. They are very prolific. In fact, next year I'm going to prune off some big branches from both of these because we have too much grape. These will ripen in July and August. I recently installed this no dig garden gate also. Let me know in comments if you want me to do a video on it. Let's go in. We have already harvested all the strawberries. Just 1 or 2 are left. But I want to show you this patch. It is about 1 feet by 12 feet at this point, and we harvested 12 pounds of strawberries from it this year. It was amazing and it was a big surprise for us. These are all June bearing strawberries. So they started ripening around mid-May, and we harvested them until first week of June. We loved it. Now let us go to the next one. You can see I have some garden expansion going on. So do subscribe for all the exciting videos that are coming up. That currant is making so much berry this year. Almost every other day I'm harvesting nearly 3 ounces of berries. The birds are eating a lot of it too.
and I don't mind. There is enough for them and us. We are going to freeze them for now and maybe in winter make some jams and jellies. This plant has grown really big, and I love the neat way shape it has. It is hard to believe it started as a stick. For all of these plants, I don't put much effort into growing them. They all are perennials. Once upon a time, I planted them. Once every year, I would broadcast organic fertilizer under them, do some pruning if needed, sometimes spray organic oils for pest control. That is all, and in return, I'm getting a lot of fruit, which I'm very thankful for. I combine a lot of annual plants and these perennials, which gives us really good harvest throughout the growing season. I use a lot of permaculture principles, which brings it all together and makes it work like an ecosystem. I will link the permaculture video here, so do check it out next. I have also linked in description my stickers and Etsy store where you can find some ways to support this channel. You can also get a free copy of my garden planner when you subscribe to my blog linked in description. Thanks for watching and thank you for your support.